Beginning in 2018, one of the brightest X-ray lights in the sky went dark, and scientists still aren't sure why. The black hole responsible for creating the lights out mystery lives in SgrA's 1915 plus 105, a star system 36,000 light-years from Earth, containing both a normal star and the second heaviest known black hole in the Milky Way. That heavy weight is 10 to 18 times the mass of the Sun and second in mass only to Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole in the galactic center. Today we will discuss with you about a black hole that suddenly went dark. Welcome back to SgrA's Life, and you're watching SgrA's Science. The region around the SgrA's 1915 plus 105 black hole typically shines with an intense X-ray light as it feeds on its companion star. As the material circles the cosmic drain, the particles within rub together, generating energy before dropping into the darkness at the black hole's center. That swirling material is the black hole's accretion disk, which lights up with X-rays as the black hole devours more and more sustenance. But researchers saw something surprising beginning in July 2018. The light from the SgrA's 1915 plus 105 system began to dim. Then, in early 2019, the light dimmed even more, and no one had ever seen anything like it before. In other words, something has come in between the light source and the swift X-ray telescope that's been monitoring the object, obscuring the telescope's view. Plenty of light is still coming from the bright region near the black hole's event horizon, which astronomers sometimes call the engine, as well as the larger accretion disk of infalling matter. But that light isn't reaching Earth the way it used to. The obscuration geometry, the precise nature of the structure that's blocking the light, is hard to discern. No existing telescope can resolve details of the faraway system, so astronomers had to make inferences from how the light coming from the SgrA's 1915 plus 105 changed from day to day between 2018 and 2019. Black holes with large companion stars sometimes dim because stellar winds from their companions can push clouds of gas in front of their lights. In the case of SgrA's 1915 plus 105, the companion star is low mass and does not have massive stellar winds that would create the observed obscuring gas. The researchers concluded that there is a lot of gas in some structure that scatters and blocks light coming from the central engine and accretion disk. In other words, whatsoever blocking the light is likely coming from the accretion disk itself. The nature of that structure, however, is still a mystery. SgrA's 1915 plus 105 is interesting to astronomers because its X-ray engine resembles a scale model of that engines that drive many supermassive black holes at the centers of distant galaxies. The difference is that the fuel for supermassive black holes comes from clouds of matter in their galactic cores, while SgrA's 1915 plus 105 rips its fuel from a neighboring star. So understanding what's going on with this star eater could shed light on what's going on in the heaviest objects in the universe.